right, Grace, it's raining. Where are we going?
These people are crazy though.
That's okay. Well, we're all crazy. Oh, hang on. My favorite thing to do. All right, Grace, it's raining. Where are we going? You never answer me.
To the park.
To the park? In the rain. You're a fool.
I got a hoodie.
You got a hoodie? You gotta shut off the lights and close the doors?
I'm not getting rain.
The insanity.
This is so unsanitary.
So unsanitary?
Yeah.
Parks are always unsanitary. All the kids snot all over them. Well, at least if you, she was already going for it, Gracie. What? Go find something else to do.
Your towel works better than Mason's sweater.
Yeah, my sweater.
Sorry. I bought this.
Look at Grace thinking ahead, bringing a towel.
Daddy, come on.
Come on, where?
This.
Come on, move this.
Grace has disappeared.
All right.
I'm right here.
Careful, you don't get hit by a swing. Stop nagging at me there, Karen.
Give me one.
Yeah, my Karen.
Oh.
Whoa. Super tall. Now watch it.
Karen's somebody who likes to nag at people. But Karen is Sharon, and Sharon is technically Nanny.
Push you really hard. Nope.
You know what? She doesn't want to be pushed. She said no.
No, I have to reset this swing if you don't want to be hurt.
Because she wants to rock and fall off and then roll.
Yeah.
Holy Coda.
Getting rain in my eyes.
Are you?
Why do you want to go that high?
Yes.
So if it gets struck by lightning, I can just jump off.
Wait, are you going to get struck by lightning? I can't even get... Here we go. We got to do one of these.
Oh, bro, are you trying to race me here? Are we gonna play something?
Stop nagging me. I'll get on when I want to. I'm getting rained on first. Imperial Metro, don't trust you. I'm going to shoot you. Here, what?
I'm stupid, though.
Oh. All right. Raindrops. Great Aizen's flip-flops. SpongeBob's still waiting at the bus stop.
I was just swinging.
Whee. I love these swings. Coda's a lunatic on them. Me and Aizen are swinging together. Look.
Slide it over your towel.
Oh, good idea.
They used to have that at the fair. Or Lake Ontario Park. So there's a giant slide and you get on little carpets and ride it down.
Because you get stuck if you didn't.
Yeah, like a crazy slide. Yeah, they have like little bumps on them. Whee. Trying what out?
Oh, look the towel thing. Let's go wipe it off. The wetness off.
That and then you can't get drenched.
You're making everyone seasick.
Oh.
Seasick. Did it work?
Yeah.
Atta girl. Hear that, Karen? You can hear the Karen all the way from the pool. Hear that, Lady Aislinn? That's a Karen. Don't jump over people. Stop having fun. Don't be little boys.
Dad, I can see it.
all little. Yes, little boys do stupid shit and they get hurt, and that teaches you to just do stupid shit a couple more times and get hurt before you stop doing it.
So do me. You gotta do it once.
Yeah.
Don't learn your lesson. You gotta do it a couple
What?
times. Finally learn it.
Some nose goggles? You need goggles for your nose?
Yeah, some goggles with the nose thing.
Oh, goggles with the nose thing.
Yeah.
We're silly. Yeah. All right, Grace, what are you going to show me? All right, let's see it. All right, I'll back up and get the right angle.
Okay, first we gotta make it wet on the side.
Oh, it's pretty wet.
It has to be wetter.
Oh, okay.
So I go faster.
Oh, okay. We're just going to stay here and wait for it to get wet.
I think you'd go faster if you wet.
We should have brought some Pam. Sprayed it. Hi there, beautiful. Oh, you're my beautiful.
The bottom isn't getting that wet.
Well, no, it's not going to get too wet. It's not raining that hard.
It has to rain harder for it to get wet.
Yes.
Here, I'll show you how to actually get on it.
Let Ro try. You asked him to come up and try. Oh, no.
It's very wet.
It's soaked. Now,
I think I need a shower tonight anyways.
right?
What? Okay.
He wiped it off with his big, silly booty.
It's still wet.
Why does he have a silly booty? It's soaked. I don't know what she's talking about.
It's
Look.
soaked still.
Yes. There's water all over it.
I think it
Go,
will
Grace,
be-
without a towel. Without a towel.
Put your jacket down. You want to go fast. You might get hurt. Yeah, you might get hurt though.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna go flying.
You're definitely gonna get hurt.
You need to do it in the
I got
winter.
The best idea.
You need to do it in the winter with a sled so you go off and down.
We could have brought crazy carpets.
Yeah, but you get really hurt.
No, you gotta.
Because you just be dragging.
Yeah, but you gotta put the jacket underneath the towel.
How fast will I go?
I don't know, to be honest with you.
Let me go. I wanna go.
I have to move the. What bug is it?
It's called a grace.
I'm showing the van.
Huh, Gaddy.
There's a bug right here.
Try it on my towel waist.
Whoa! I came near and it flew at me. I'm getting back.
No, wait,
I don't know,
try
what it-
mine.
She's gonna try her sweater.
Go, Grace, then.
Who's
First.
down? So I can
Go, Grace.
go. Okay.
Yeah, it's not very fast.
Told
gotta
you, use
go
your
with-
jacket.
gotta
You gotta use your jacket. You gotta use
go
your jacket.
without it. That's why you guys are going so slow. And plus, I'm wearing swimming shorts.
Yeah, that is true.
And I'm wearing.
You need a slippery material.
Swimming shorts
Oh.
oh. So when you go down water slides, you go even faster than you're supposed to.
Yeah. Yeah, don't go down water slides without water. You can actually die.
True, and break your.
Everyone thinks the water makes you go faster. The water actually controls your speed. Hey, you know how I know that? I used to be a certified pool operator. That's only a good certificate for 4 years though or something.
Okay, I have to
Yeah.
It's not also credits for college.
No, it wasn't a credit for college. I did it in college.
How damp does it have to be?
I did
go
fitness and
really
health
fast?
promotion, the
Go,
FAP
like,
class.
no matter what you're gonna do.
FAP.
Go, Grace. Go. Grace is gonna go flying.
All right, go, go, go,
You
go.
have the right shorts.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, I do.
Dad has the right pants.
You probably ended up with wedgie, didn't
go,
you?
Dad, go.
No, I'm good.
Go after Aislinn.
I just get stuck. It's not a big enough slide for me.
No, it isn't. You're wearing the right type of pants.
Maybe too
Go, Dad.
fast.
That was a little bit too fast. Sit on your coat.
Go, Grace. Sit on it. Yes.
I don't know. You might end up like Aislinn.
We make no promises.
I can't promise you anything. Let's go, 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 go.
No.
Wait, so
Not
good.
really.
Fun calm down.
No, it isn't. No, it. You should.
Grace, those shorts have a hole in them too.
You
Really?
weren't even
Yeah.
wearing them right.
I'm gonna
You,
try
so you
to
weren't even.
hold it.
You're not wearing them.
We can do it, people.
Like I said, you gotta do it the crazy slides in the middle of winter, so you can just go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. We thought Grace had a hole in her shorts. She doesn't. She just
You can
No.
go down.
has shorts under shorts.
No,
She's a
it is.
fucking weirdo. Wears shorts under their shorts, weirdo. I don't know. She's just weird.
That's not a good idea, Grace.
Why?
Because it's your jacket and your thing.
I don't know. Jesus, Goda. Jesus, I love cheeses. All right, where are you going? All right, go ahead. Might be a little chilly. No? No, I'm good. It makes me itchy and then we'll have to leave early. Well, run in it. Yeah, run through it. Oh! Yep, I'm getting back. Jerk. Should've known that was gonna happen. Or try and spray me. Get out of here. Oh, here comes another little freak. What are you doing? Oh, don't come in here, you might get wet. No, you might get wet. Oh, now you're wet. Oh, you're already wet, you weirdo. Yeah, go ahead. You aren't you glad I wore it? All right, we're done. We're all soaked. You guys have anything to say?
See you guys next time.
You have anything to say? Got anything to say for yourself?
All I gotta say, I'm wrestling Dad when we get home.
Yeah, you better get changed first. You got anything to say?
I'm having a phone.
No? Coda! Coda's had enough of the rain. She gets itchy. Can you go get your stuff like I asked, or you'll be grounded when we get home? Eh.
Go get my towel.
You got anything to say?
You go get my towel for me, Dad.
Hurry up. All right, we're out. Peace.